Google didn't just update NotebookLM. They quietly dropped a full arsenal of features that turn this thing into the ultimate research-to-content weapon. Cinematic video overviews that look like they cost thousands to produce. A brand new Revise button that actually lets you fix decks on the fly. Custom styles for infographics that match any vibe you want. And the smartest deep research workflow I've ever seen that does the heavy lifting for you. If you're still manually hunting sources, building slides in PowerPoint, or paying editors to turn reports into watchable videos, you're about to see why those days are over. Stick with me for the next minutes, and I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step system I use right now to go from raw idea to pro-level output in under 15 minutes. We're talking grounded research, killer slide decks you can revise instantly, custom infographics, and full cinematic videos that match every word. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use all of it today. Let's get into it. First, quick refresher if you're new here. NotebookLM is Google's research beast that only works from the sources you give it. No internet hallucinations, no random training data. Every single claim is traceable back to your documents. That foundation is what makes everything else insane. Here's how I actually start every single session now that these updates are live. Most people skip this and get weak results. Don't be most people. I go straight to Claude first and say, write me a detailed, specific, deep research prompt for NotebookLM on my topic. Example, I wanted to research the importance of sleep for recovery. Claude handed me a perfectly structured prompt that covered mortality risks, brain repair, stages of sleep, economic impact, and 3 actionable fixes. I copy that prompt, paste it into NotebookLM's deep research box, and hit enter. NotebookLM goes out, browses hundreds of sites, builds a full research plan, pulls in 70+ reputable sources, and drops a complete report with every claim cited. In the sleep example, it pulled everything from neurodevelopment studies to $400 billion annual economic losses in the US alone. All of it lands in your notebook automatically. Now you've got a rock-solid foundation. Click Import, and every source flows into a clean notebook. You can ask it anything, role of NREM sleep in brain repair, and it answers with direct quotes and links back to the exact page. No fluff, no guessing. This is where the new Studio features explode. Head to the Studio panel. You've got audio overviews, video overviews, briefing docs, slide decks, and infographics, all powered by the same grounded sources. Let's build a slide deck live so you see the new stuff in action. I click Create Deck, pick Presenter Slides, and drop in another Claude-crafted prompt. Open with a surprising statistic to hook people. Walk through the stages of sleep and why they matter. Cover what chronic deprivation does to brain and body. Close with 3 specific things people can do tonight to sleep better. A few seconds later, the first draft appears. It already looks professional. Clean stats, sleep cycle graphics, mortality risk slide. But here's what used to suck. If something was off, you were stuck. Not anymore. The Revise button just dropped, and it's the feature everyone's been begging for. I click the edit icon on the first slide and type, replace this weak title with a surprising statistic from the sources, so the reader instantly understands why they need to prioritize sleep. Then, on another slide, this has way too much text. Cut it to 2 or 3 tight points. And on the closing slide, this feels weak. Make it one strong single takeaway instead of a list. I hit Generate New Deck and watch the changes roll in. Title now hits with the $400 billion economic loss stat. The dense slide is now 3 crisp bullet points. Closing slide, 1 powerful line. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of sleep is the single most effective thing you can do every day to reset your brain and body health. Done. No Canva, no Photoshop, no exporting to PowerPoint just to fix one thing. And this Revise button works on mobile too. If you're on the go, you can tweak decks from your phone in seconds. Next level, infographics. They just added 10 custom styles: clay, editorial, bento grid, bricks, even a kawaii option. You pick orientation, landscape, portrait, square, toggle detail level, or write your own style prompt. Before this, it was one size fits all. Now you actually control the look so it matches your audience or brand perfectly. But here's where NotebookLM goes from really useful to this feels like cheating. With your notebook fully loaded, Deep research sources, revised slides, everything. You can now generate cinematic video overviews. This isn't a template with stock footage. This is bespoke. Google calls it cinematic for a reason. You hit the Video Overview button, and Gemini steps into the director's chair. It reads every source, understands the core message, then decides the best format: documentary style, narrative arc, tutorial, whatever actually serves the material. It generates custom visuals, narration, and timing. Then it does something wild. It watches its own video, critiques pacing, consistency, and quality, then refines it before you ever see the final cut. That self-correction loop is why the output feels human. To show you what's possible right now, I pulled an actual example that's blowing up online. Robert Scoble took tens of thousands of AI posts from X, fed them into NotebookLM, and hit cinematic mode. The result is a 4-minute video that looks like it took a professional editor and motion designer days. You see chips when it talks about semiconductors. You see autonomous agents clicking through screens when it covers voice mode. Broadcom's 52% revenue jump appears with clean charts. xAI's 1.2 gigawatt Memphis supercomputer gets a visual that makes the scale hit. The narration flows perfectly, visuals sync exactly, and the whole thing feels like a premium explainer you'd pay for on YouTube. All from raw X posts, all in minutes. This changes the game for everyone who's ever said, "I wish I could just show people this instead of making them read it." Researchers turning dense papers into watchable content, consultants turning 80-page decks into client-ready videos, teachers flipping classrooms without weekend production marathons, journalists synthesizing complex topics, students who actually want to understand, not just skim. Connect the dots and you see what Google's really building: an AI-powered knowledge translation engine. Audio learner? Podcast overview. Visual learner? Cinematic video. Need slides? Revised deck. Wants a quick visual? Custom infographic. Everything from the exact same grounded sources. No more switching tools, no more copy-paste errors, no more, where did that stat come from? The Deep Research plus Revise button, plus custom infographics, plus cinematic video pipeline is live right now for NotebookLM Ultra users in English, and these features roll down faster than most Google experiments. If you're not on Ultra yet, keep an eye on it. The free tier usually catches up eventually. Here's the exact workflow I want you running today. 1. Use Claude or ChatGPT, Gemini, doesn't matter, and craft a killer deep research prompt. 2. Paste it into NotebookLM Deep Research and let it pull 50 to 100 sources. 3. Import into a notebook. 4. Build your slide deck with a detailed structure prompt. 5. Use the new Revise button to perfect every slide. 6. Generate custom infographics with your chosen style. 7. Hit Cinematic Video Overview and watch it turn the whole thing into a full production. Everything stays connected, everything stays cited, everything looks like you spent days instead of minutes. I've been testing this non-stop since the updates dropped, and the quality jump is wild. The videos are getting better every week, the revisions are saving hours, and the deep research is pulling sources I would have missed. If you've already tried any of these new features, cinematic videos, the Revise button, custom infographics, drop your results in the comments. What did you build? Did the self-correction loop blow your mind? I read every single one. If you're new, go open NotebookLM right now and run the deep research workflow I showed you. You'll immediately feel the difference. This is the kind of update that makes every other research tool feel dated. Google just moved the entire game forward, and most people still haven't noticed. Make sure you're subscribed to AI Powered so you don't miss when these features expand or when I drop the next deep dive workflow. Hit that bell, smash the like button if this saved you hours of work, and I'll see you in the next one.